Regardless of the welding process being used, or the welder's skill, a proper safety helmet must always be worn. No exceptions. Not doing so could result in serious burns and temporary or even permanent blindness. Fortunately, welding helmets are available for all budgets, so there's no excuse not to buy one. What's up guys, today you'll take a look at the best welding helmets you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Yeswelder Large Viewing Screen True Color. Yeswelder welding products are known for providing good value for the money. This welding helmet has many of the features found on more expensive models and boasts the largest viewing area of any we considered. Colors are good, if not exceptional, and while 1/1, 1/2 optical clarity isn't perfect, it is still to a professional standard. Auto darkening speed is 1/10,000 second, which is slower than some but still perfectly safe. Controls for shade, delay, sensitivity, and grinding mode are all on the outside of the helmet and designed to be used with gloved hands. This Yeswelder welding helmet lacks the construction quality of leading brands, it is heavier than many, and the headgear could be more supportive. Nevertheless, the combination of low price and a competitive feature set makes it one of the best welding helmets for the money available. Number 4. 3M Speedglas Welding Helmet. The 3M Speedglas welding helmet has an interesting design that incorporates a large screen and side windows for excellent all-round visibility. Its lightweight, combined with highly adjustable headgear and exhaust vents, make it perhaps the most comfortable of our top picks. It has all the features expected of a premium quality welding helmet, including variable sensitivity and delay, plus an external button for grind mode. The 3M Speedglas also offers auto on when the helmet is picked up, with a memory function that remembers the last settings used. The 3M Speedglas incorporates what the company calls natural color technology for a lifelike view, but while optical clarity appears very good, we were unable to find an actual rating, a surprise given how expensive the helmet is. It also has relatively slow 1/10,000th second auto darkening. Number 3. Tooliom Flip-Up Welding Helmet. Despite so-called clear view technologies, many welders will still lift their welding hood to inspect their work, or to do a quick bit of filing or sawing. While all welding helmets provide this facility, the raised portion makes movement awkward. The Tooliom Flip-Up helmet offers a quick and easy alternative, with just the lens section lifting out of the way. Specifications for the Tooliom Flip-Up are on a par with many other budget models. Optical clarity is rated as 1/1, 1/2. True color technology has improved color accuracy over previous models, though there is still a slight blue-green tint. Reaction time is 1/10,000th second. Controls are straightforward, though the manual dials lack the precision of digital displays. Although the flip-up section does reduce screen size, it is still larger than most passive welding helmets. It's also a little heavier than most, but the headgear provides adequate support. Given the low cost, the Tooliom Flip-Up welding helmet is an interesting option for beginners or those who only weld occasionally. Number 2. Esab Sentinel A50 Welding Helmet. The Esab Sentinel A50 welding helmet makes an immediate visual impression, but there are practical aspects to the tough, impact-resistant shell beyond its sleek, stylish appeal. The central pivot in the ergonomic headgear, plus low-profile shape, keep the shell close to the head when raised. This makes it ideal for industrial welding applications when overhead space is limited. In addition to improved head and neck protection, it also provides good peripheral vision. The hard hat adapter is available at additional cost. The curved shape can occasionally reflect glare, though this seldom affects the actual lens area. Another outstanding feature of the Esab Sentinel is the superb touchscreen control panel. This allows absolute precision when setting shade, delay, and sensitivity, and it can store 8 different setting combinations for rapid access. Optical precision is 1/1, 1/1, and colors are true. Reaction speed is 1/25,000th second. Number 1. Jackson Safety Insight Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. In many ways, the Jackson Safety Insight welding helmet is much like many other affordable, mid-range models. It has high optical clarity rated at 1/1, 1/1 and uses true color technology for accurate representation. Reaction time is 1/15,000th second, and there are accurate digital controls for all major functions including delay and sensitivity. It would be a good choice for both hobbyists and general-purpose professional welders. Where the Jackson Safety Insight differs from most other models is its narrow design, which gives it an advantage when working in tight spaces. While it is a little heavy, Comfort is maintained with well-padded headgear that has a large dial for rapid adjustment. Unfortunately, while a grind mode is provided, there is no shade range for cutting. Some also feel the Jackson Safety Insight welding helmet offers less neck protection than other models. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.